How's it going, everyone? Today I'm going to talk about Intel. Crap, I need an Intel CPU for this bit. Everything is fine. Don't worry about it. It is all A-okay. Just check that one on top. Yeah, it's good enough for me. Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I wanted to talk about the 3 reasons why Intel Kaby Lake is a waste of money in 2020. So you might have noticed that that PC over there is actually a Kaby Lake PC. Now, I'm kind of going against my word here because I'm saying that you shouldn't buy it and I bought it, but content, right? Basically what happened was I bought a $250 HP ProDesk or something. I'll put some B-roll up. It's a PC that exists, and I bought it for 250 Aussie dollars along with 8 gigs of RAM, an NVMe 250 gig SSD, a 1TB hard drive, and a monitor. So that's pretty cool. Anyway, the first reason you should not buy Kaby Lake in 2020 is the fact that it can cost a lot, especially on eBay. Like, those prices on eBay are insanely high. I don't understand why people are buying them still. They're buying them at like 200 Aussie a pop for like an i5 7600 or like a i5 7400. There was an i5 7400T I saw earlier. It was like 250 bucks. I'm like, what the hell is going on there? You know what I mean? It's like, are they selling cocaine with it as well? I don't know anymore. Anyways, Intel Kaby Lake, expensive even used. I don't understand why it's so expensive. Motherboards are also really expensive still for it. For some reason, I don't know. People still think it's worth a lot. I don't know why. The 7700K is overrated. Don't buy it. Ryzen 3 3300X all the way in that category. Anyways, Kaby Lake motherboards. Expensive. Don't buy them. Which brings us to our next reason. Reason numero duo. Reason number 2. It's a dead-end platform with quad cores. Like, why would you buy a platform that can only do quad cores in 2020 when you can buy a Ryzen AM4 motherboard that can go up to 16 cores? 16! Basically, this video is just telling you not to buy Kaby Lake and just buy a Ryzen 5 1600 or 1600 AF or a 2600, you know. The good CPUs. I just realized I have RGB I can turn on. Hang on a minute. RGB, boys. RGB. That is one of life's luxuries. Anyways, that brings us to reason numero trio, and that is AM4. AM4 exists. It's about as old as Kaby Lake, and you can get infinitely better CPUs for it. Like, as I was saying earlier, you can get up to 16 core CPU. Now, if you want to go Intel for whatever reason in 2020, I don't know why you would. Well, actually, the 10th gen isn't too bad, so I wouldn't really blame you if you went for that. But like, for gaming, you know, if you bought it for productivity, you can just go to Ryzen. Anyways, AM4. Why buy a quad-core dead-end platform for the same price as an AM4 platform with a Ryzen 5 1600 or 1500X or a 3300X, which is about a 7700K equivalent? That is, unless if you pick it up used, which I did with that PC, so, you know, whatever floats your boat. Anyway, summarizing all of that, Kaby Lake is expensive when you buy it off eBay at least. The motherboard's a dead end, basically. You can only go up to quad cores, and yeah, AM4 exists. There's a whole ton of competition now to Intel, so don't buy Kaby Lake unless if you can get it for a really good price. Anyways, that's about it for this video. So if you enjoyed it, hit that like button. If you didn't, I guess hit the dislike button, and I guess let me know why you didn't like it. Appreciate the feedback. And if you want to see more content from me, you can also hit that subscribe button, because subscribing does indeed help the channel out, because it means we're gonna get monetized at one point. I'm 600 subs off getting monetized, so that's pretty cool. Well, actually 640 at this current, no, 638 at this current moment. Let's hope 638 goes down to less than that when this video is up. That would be pretty cool. Anyways, guys, that's it for this video. So yeah, I guess I'll see you in the next one. And also, don't forget to follow me on Twitter. I'd appreciate it. Anyway.